Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your updated forecast for the time period July 13th through the 17th. And this forecast is for western Pennsylvania. Now, there are some thunderstorms today in the afternoon that have popped up in western Pennsylvania. Again, no direct line of storms, but just pop-up thunderstorms here and there, which could give you a downpour at times as it goes. But then it turns into mostly showers, as you can see here, around 10 o'clock tonight. Now, tomorrow, you have another system that's going to come through, but thankfully for Western PA, you get a couple of thunderstorms early in the afternoon. But then all that action moves, and you can see it starting to expand here, um, and it's starting to move to the east. And it's to the east that's going to get the heavier thunderstorms and the downpours. This takes you to around 5 in the evening, and you can see it's all moving to the east. You're left with a couple of showers behind. Now this is Monday afternoon's temperatures. Temperatures basically in the 70s, 80, low 80s out by Pittsburgh. As you move in the afternoon, that rain moves to the east, but your temperatures stay pretty steady. This is 7 o'clock in the evening, and you're still around in the low 80s out by Pittsburgh, and everybody else is comfortably in the middle 70s. On Tuesday, everybody warms up a few degrees. As you can see, just about everybody's in the 80s and upper 80s as you go out towards Pittsburgh and to the southeast. So a pretty warm day on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, the extreme western part of Pennsylvania is in the mid 80s, and the mountain areas are in the upper 70s to the lower 80s on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, as you can see, temperatures vary. They really warm to the south and to the north. Yeah, you got a few rain showers around. Temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80 on Thursday. All right, I'll update this on Thursday again for you, and we'll see what's going to happen there. But most of the heavier rain that you're going to hear about is going to be in eastern Pennsylvania. I'd say like State College and onward to the east into New Jersey and Delaware. There's going to be spotty, heavy thunder showers that could dump down over an inch and a half to 2 inches of rain, maybe even a little bit more if it gets started. Now, this is total rainfall between now and Thursday afternoon. And you can see basically, we've, like I said, we've had some showers and thunderstorms. And exactly where the heavier stuff sets up could be a little bit over an inch. But as you can see, everybody else is a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch on average. And as you get extremely to the east is when you pick up, again, you start to pick up heavier precipitation from this rain. So, okay, so that's your forecast. And I'll be back on Thursday to update this. Again, I always have the general weather forecast up above every day posted. So this is just a once every 5 days kind of thing. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.